Are you looking for the best 20-gallon air compressor? In this video, we will break down the top 6 best 20-gallon air compressors on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. California Air Tools 8010 Steel Tank Air Compressor. The California Air Tools 8010 is an 8-gallon air compressor that produces 2.2 CFM of air at 90 psi, and has the capacity to store and compress air up to a maximum pressure of 120 psi. A 1 HP motor operates at a less speed of just 1680 RPM, keeps the dual piston pump running, and also to increase the life cycle of the air compressor by reducing wear and tear in the pump. It's an oil-free air compressor, but it's quieter than even some of the oil lubricated ones. You'll experience the quiet nature firsthand if you happen to bite the bullet on this one. The compressor fills up quickly in less than 3 minutes, and recovers quickly in less than 30 seconds when the pressure falls down during usage. As it's an oil-free air compressor, you don't have to worry about lubricating it with oil from time to time, which also means less maintenance for you. At number 2. Porter Cable PXCMF 220VW 20-gallon portable air compressor. This air compressor is oil-free, making it more economical for you. It provides you with less maintenance as well as being a lot better for the environment too. It has a very strong size, it can reach 150 at max. It is also CSA certified, meaning that it has been tested and it is completely safe to use. It is easy to transport around because it has 2 tires on the back of the compressor and a handle at the top of it too. It is also very easy and quick to connect with the tool you want to use. At number 3. WEN 2202 20-gallon air compressor. If you want raw return on investment, take a look at the WEN 2202. It's much more affordable than other models with similar features. Also, it's still suitable for most things that you'll need a 20-gallon air compressor for. If you're looking for a basic air compressor that will make the most of your investment, this is one you like. However, it's loud. It also takes a long while to refill the tank after you've drained it. If your work requires that you use it continuously, this one will save you money, but cost you time. At number 4. Northstar Single-Stage Portable Electric Air Compressor. Northstar's 25653 also has a vertical space-saving design with a belt-driven V-twin pump at the top. It runs smoothly and very quietly, which means less noise in your garage or workshop. Dual crankshaft ball bearings also contribute greatly towards this smooth running, while a built-in regulator helps to control the air pressure directed towards connected pneumatic tools. You also get a dual voltage 115 and 230 volt induction motor, a 6-foot power cord, an easy start valve that is less strenuous to the motor, 2 solid tires and a handle for easy portability. On the downside, this compressor requires quite some maintenance work in terms of regular oiling, and its components are not covered for protection from the elements. At number 5. Quincy QT54 Splash Lubricated Reciprocating Air Compressor. This machine is built to provide the highest efficiency for the lowest cost. This 5MP 2-stage air compressor includes a motor that starts with a capacitor and a built-in thermal overload. It also includes a fin tube intercooler that increases the valve life. It provides 145 to 175 working psi, with 475 pump RMP. It confirms the ultimate efficiency and durability, incorporating cast iron flywheel and other integrated air tools. It confirms the maximum efficiency, possessing the pressure relief ASM 60-gallon tank, including other air tools such as industrial class bearing, graphite cylinder, and head gaskets, extra capacity oil reservoir and many more. The life rating of this product is really surprising as it comes with a 30,000-hour pump life rating. It features a 2-cylinder cast iron constructed pump, reinforced with an aluminum head for maintaining rigid tolerance and strengthening heat dissipation. At number 6. Bostitch Pancake Air Compressor. The Bostitch BTFP02012 is a 6-gallon air compressor which produces a maximum pressure of 150 psi. At a standard pressure of 90 psi you can get it to produce an SCFM of 2.6. The kind of tools you can run with this are finish nailers, staplers, framing nailers if you're not going to be building a mansion, tools that will not take more than 2.6 SCFM. You can fill tires and mattresses with it comfortably. It's an oil-less compressor, so it's not going to go easy on your ears when it's on. If noise is not your friend, you got to think of wearing ear protection when using this thing, or you go for some of the quieter ones. It's equipped with a high-efficiency motor to keep the compressor pump up and running even in cold climates. 2 couplers gives you the opportunity to use the air compressor with your buddy at the same time, if you're not going to be using tools that zap a lot of air at once.